Hi all, the topic today we are going to cover is volume of solids, liquids and gases. Before getting into the topic, I wish everyone those who watch this video to like and subscribe the channel. Okay. First let us see volume of solid. We have already seen this in previous class. Okay, the volume of solid is nothing but the capacity of the solid. Okay, how much it can hold. So, let us consider a box of length L, breadth B and height H. So, let us consider this box whose volume is given by the formula length into breadth into height. That is, all the three dimensions gives the volume of the box. Similarly, the volume of a room is given by the same formula, which is length into breadth into height. Okay. Other solid we can consider as a cylinder. So the volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h, where h is the height and r is the radius. Pi r square is the area, surface area of this cylinder. Okay, usually the volume of solids is measured in cubic meter. Next we will see volume of liquids. Okay, very easily we can find the volume of liquids. The volume of liquids takes up the volume of the container or the shape of the container. See, we have a beaker here which has graduated values in it. So the volume of milk contained in it is around 45 we can say. So it takes this value of the beaker. Okay. Usually the volume of liquids and gases are measured in liters, but it can also be measured in cubic meter. So the values are like this. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter, 1 millimeter cube is equal to 1 microliter and 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So liters can also be expressed in meter cube. Okay. Next we will see volume of gases. Gases is also like the liquid. It fills up the container, but it is uncertain to exactly measure the volume of gases because it can be compressed, right? Like in LPG gas, it is in compressed state. So gas depends upon the pressure on which it is compressed. So volume of gases we will see on higher classes. Usually it is measured in liters. Okay. So it is subject to change, so we cannot exactly tell the volume of gas. We'll see it in later classes. Previously we have seen volume of solids. Here also we are going to see volume of solid but of irregular shape. What we'll do if it has irregular shape? How will we find the volume of solid? So we have a method called water displacement method, where the method is like, we'll take two beakers having markings in it. Okay, first beaker will fill with some water and the second beaker also will fill the same amount of water. What this method does is, now we are going to find the volume of the irregular shape, say stone, this stone. So we have to find the volume of the stone. First beaker will keep as such, measure the value, say 50. Now place the stone inside this beaker. What happens? Using a thread or something, what happens? The water level gets increased by some units, say 70. So the volume of this stone can be given by the water displaced after inserting the stone minus the initial level of water. That is 70 minus 50, which gives you 20. So this is the volume of the stone, which is given by centimeter cube. Okay, cubic centimeter. So the volume of object is of a object who have irregular shape is given by the water displacement method. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you.